In the city lost, we lose our way. Neon lights guide us through the day. In the crowd, we find our space. Rhythms of the night we chase. Eyes closed, tight with booming hearts. Lost in beats where it all starts. Through the sound we pierce the night. Glowing figures in the light. Legional dreams and electric streams. We fall into these endless schemes. With every beat we rise and fly. In the trance we touch the light. Shadows merge and voices blend. In this world there's no end. Looping through a dazzling maze. In this beat we'll always blaze. Electric whispers in our ear. With the pulse there's no fear. Unified the dance is one till the light of the sun. Digital dreams and electric streams. We fall into these endless schemes. With every beat we rise and fly. In the trance we touch the light. Through this bridge and voices blend. In this world there's no end. Looping through a dazzling maze. In this beat we'll always blaze. Electric whispers in our ear. With the pulse there's no fear. Unified the dance is one till the light of the sun. Through this bridge and voices blend. In this world there's no end. Till the sky.
Under the sky so clear and wide, yearning for Nirvana, our guide. Clouds and stars twinkle still. In this peace I find what I will. Nirvana, where time stands still. A place where the heart in harmony thrills. Nirvana, a dream so tender and fine. Here we want to forever align. Each breath feel pure freedom in Nirvana. No worries, no tedium. A gentle breeze through the hair reminds us happiness is near. Nirvana, where time stands still. A place where the heart in harmony thrills. Nirvana, a dream so tender and fine. Here we want to forever align. Let's dream, wander in moonlight. In this world, our spirits take flight. Nothing but peace, nothing but light. In Nirvana, we find our respite. Nirvana, where time stands still. A place where the heart in harmony thrills. Nirvana, a dream so tender and fine. Here we want to forever align. time stands still, a place where the heart in harmony thrills. Nirvana, a dream so tender and fine. Here we want to forever align.
On the edge of the night, in a tower so high, with the lantern so bright, casting beams to the sky. Lonely keepers stand strong, guiding ships through the gale. Whispers tales of the sea, the storm and the sail. Silent waves crash below in the dark midnight haze. Keepers' thoughts drift away to the old glory days. Ghostly echoes resound of a love lost at sea. In the lighthouse he waits for the shadows to flee. Like the wave through the storm and the dark, shine a beacon of hope like a firework spark. For the ships that are lost and the sailors who roam, lighthouse keeper will guide them home. Fog rolls in, thick as thieves, hiding dangers unseen. Keeper's lantern flickers, bright like a starlit dream. From horizon to shore, his duty calls him to stand. Through the tempest and calm, a steady hand. In the night he remains, steadfast, never to stray, with a heart guarded tight till the break of day. The wild wind sings a song as the waves crash and moan. In the lighthouse he's king, but forever alone. Light the way through the storm and the dark, shine a beacon of hope like a firework spark. For the ships that are lost and the sailors who roam, lighthouse keeper will guide them home. In the city pulse we lose our way, neon lights guide us through the day. In the crowd we find our space, rhythms of the night we chase.